Hello everyone. In this video I just want to give you a pro tip of where to buy wire brushes. These are, I think these is made of brass and this one is steel or stainless steel. And for my work, for restoration and dealing with rust, steel, etc., I actually use a lot of these brushes. And instead of buying them from Home Depot or your favorite hardware store, it is actually much better price-wise, and the quality is the same for you to go ahead and buy these from Amazon. So this is a 14-pack wire brush, and I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is $8.99 from Amazon, and it comes with 14, so each one of them are actually about only 70 cents each, and they're extremely good deal. Here is the product page for it on Amazon. Actually, it's $8.49 with free Prime, and it's made by Muchera, and it has good reviews, as you can see. So if you were to compare this with something that you would get from Home Depot, the cheapest, there are many that you can buy for about $2 something each brush. But even a pack of 12, like right here, this is one of the better, very similar product. If you look at the actual similarity, look at the handle and everything, it is probably the same exact product. Or this is the one from Amazon is probably a China copy, or I mean, they're all going to be made from China anyway. So that is $25 for a pack of 12. That's still $2 something each from Home Depot. All right, well, like I said, this is a quick video. Let me go through, I guess, the quality of it real quick. Just show you guys a close-up view of it. See the bristle? The bristle, I would say height. I'll try to get it focused. Okay, the bristle height is about half an inch almost, so maybe like 3/8. And it's pretty hard. They're not like too flimsy, but they're not the hardest. So I hope that you can kind of see the hardness of it when I'm doing this. Okay, and then this is the brass version. The brass version is a little bit softer, or a little bit more bendable, but it's still pretty good. There's a lot of bristles there. The handle is made of plastic. The handle is about 7 or 8 inches, and these are all the stainless steel, and these are all the brass. Very nice, quick. Buy them before you need them is my concept, because when you start needing them and you go to the store and you buy them for $3 or $2.50, $3 a piece, it's gonna be a waste of money. All right, anyway, I've gone too long on this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you like tips like these, please give it a thumbs up on this video and like my channel. Much appreciated. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.